We're doing our second market today. So it is June 28th on a Saturday, and I made like custom shirts with the brand. Me and Karan are both wearing it. We're gonna go set up our market now. See you later. For the second market, we made $68 in cash, $13 on Venmo, and $169 on Stripe. Our total comes out to $250, which is about the same as our last market. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more 3D printing, crafting, and market videos. See you guys next time. Bye!